Come on, man. Another killer. Fully out. It's almost easy, man. It's almost easy. 7, 3 more. 8, 9, 10. Stop. You gotta drink more. You're starting to get a vesicular contraction. 4. You're an animal, man. 6, 7, 8. 2 more, bro. 9. Oh my God. Wow, that's sick. 10. No problem. No problem at all. You probably get back in bed. I think you'll probably be touching the bed, the underside of the knee.
That's crazy because that's a great.
That looks really good. That's sliding down real nice. You're getting some nice extension there. Nice. I think that's the most I've ever seen you get with the extra band. Yeah, that looks really good. You're really getting it now. 8. 9. Great job. Great job.
Oh.
Rest.
Jesus. That's heavy resistance, man. Wow.
I don't think so. Get fierce, man. Attaboy. Get a couple in there. Get a feel for it. And I want you just visualizing right here. Contracting to open that knee up. That's what you're doing. Contracting that quad. Attaboy. That's it. Good. Come on. Good.
This keeps getting in my way and I can't slide my foot.
Go. Okay. Nice. Good. 6, 7. That looks good, man. Really good. 8. 2 more. 9. 1 more. Come on, brother. Nice job. And rest.
It's hard. It's hard.
I don't think you've lost range. Maybe it's like that lost. You're gonna earn it, baby. You're gonna earn it. You're doing it. You're making yourself do it. And you are going. We're good. Okay?
Like I said, I can edit it.
Okay. Well, it's going to be good quality material. All right, so we're going to do 2 on the right first. Just the 2 grays. And I'm telling you, you're probably going to feel like you can push out further.
Okay.
Because I think we got more
Loosen
range.
it up.
Yeah. Let's just see what it feels like to you. Nice, 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 nice. God, that's good. Let's get Matt in there. Good. Six. Good. One more.
See if I lean forward.
Yep.
I feel like I could go further.
Well, you kind of like bring your body forward. Just do it the way you like that. It's okay. You're fine. You're doing good. You're getting max quad this way.
Okay.
8. 2 more. 9. That's great. That's opening all the way. Good. That's 10. Rest.
Wow.
So now just try to straighten out the end. See how that feels with it on the floor. Yeah, see, I mean, look at that range. Look at that range. Hold it out there. Look at that. Look what that looks like. You don't think that's crazy? Look at that length. I'm telling you, when you stand up, you're gonna know it. That's great length, man. That looks awesome. Look how far out you are. It's on the floor, away from the bed.
Yeah.
You can tell.
It's really
You
nice.
see how it's? You see how much closer it got to the other leg?
Yeah, it's definitely closer.
Yeah.
And I'm on my heels too.
Yeah.
It's not like I'm.
No.
This. I'm on
That's
my
the true range.
Yeah.
That's the true range. You can see when you put them together how close they are now. See that?
It's pretty close. Yeah.
Yeah. I told you today was a game changer. I knew when I got into the belly, man, and eventually I got it down. You can see. You got it, man. You did the right thing today by going to that blue. It's good. I think it's really going to feel incredible when you stand. I think it's really going to feel great for you. And you let me know. You might be able to go up 2 today. 2 notches. You'll see how you feel.
On the height?
Yep. What we're looking for is how much you can bend your knee, how much